What's up guys, it's 4Bros Automotive, and in this video I'm going to share with you how I bought a salvage truck and turned it into $1,000 probably in a small amount of time. With that being said, if you want to learn how to make quick cash, make sure to stick around to the end of the video. What's up guys, before we get into this video, I'm going to tell you guys a bit about this truck. So this truck is a 2018 Chevy Equinox. We bought it at the auction for almost $4,500. Since the truck was not near our location, we had to pay for delivery to us. The delivery cost was around $475. Now to explain a bit about this truck, let's see what we purchased.
Alright guys, so we're currently at the transporter station picking up the truck that we have just purchased. As you can see, we're currently pulling up the truck to the dolly to take the truck back home to our shop. Sadly, the truck's battery was dead, but we just jump started the truck and gladly it ignited right away. Also, the truck was movable, so the purchase hasn't gone bad yet. Pulling up to the truck to the dolly, we can see that the mirrors are all broken into shattered pieces, so we had to be extremely cautious driving the truck up to the dolly. Everything ignited great with no weird knocking noises toward the engine, so that's a plus for us. As you can see, the truck is completely totaled, but don't you worry because there's nothing that Bondo could fix. This truck is damaged in every single place, but not to the point where we need to fix the chassis. All rims are intact, just one tire was low, but good thing we brought the air pump. All doors and trim seem to be aligned, so that's good so far. Going along to the driver's side, it seemed to be the most damaged section of the truck, and also the windows seem to be missing or shattered by the accident. Front end and rear end seem to be decent shape, so now it's time to take the truck back home and start working on it.